In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule the post using Hootsuite. Scheduling a post ahead of time is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent with your content, even when you are busy. With Hootsuite, you can plan what you want to share, choose the right account, and set the exact date and time for it to publish. To begin, sign in to Hootsuite. When you reach the main dashboard, you should see your workspace and the options for creating content. Take a moment to confirm that you are signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. This helps avoid posting to the wrong place later on. Once you are inside, you are ready to create your scheduled post. Next, click on the plus Create a Post option. You may see this button near the top of the screen or in a content creation area. Clicking it opens the Composer, where you can prepare your post details. This is the point where you start building the content you want to share, so look for the space or panel labeled for creating a post. After you open the Post Composer, select the social media account you want to use. Hootsuite typically lets you choose from connected accounts, and this selection determines where your post will be published. Spend a moment matching the account to your audience and your content plan. For example, if your content is meant for Instagram, choose the appropriate Instagram account. And if it is for X or another platform, select that instead. Now that the correct account is selected, add your caption, images, videos, or links. In the caption area, type the text you want your audience to see. If your post includes media, you can upload images or videos using the attachment area in the Composer. If you want to share a resource, you can also include a link. As you add these elements, make sure everything is correct before scheduling. Check that the text reads clearly, that the media looks properly positioned, and that links are accurate. Once your post content is ready, click Schedule for later. This option tells Hootsuite that you do not want the post to go out immediately. Instead, you want to choose a specific time for publishing. You may see the scheduling section appear after you select this option. This step is important because it switches your post from ready to publish to planned for a future moment. After you click Schedule for later, select the date and time you want the post to be published. Pay attention to the time zone shown on the screen, since scheduling depends on that setting. Choose a date that matches your content calendar and select a time that aligns with when your audience is most likely to be online. If the scheduling controls allow you to adjust the time in small increments, use those controls to fine-tune your selection. Finally, click Schedule. This confirms your planned post and submits it into Hootsuite's publishing queue. After you do this, your post should appear in your scheduled content area, where you can review it and confirm the status. If you notice any mistakes before the scheduled time, you can return to the post details and make updates when the platform allows it. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.